What is up? I am here. Well, guess what? Y'all know what's in this bag. Y'all know what everybody been talking about. Y'all know what's in this bag. And I just had to pull over. These fries good too. I love Popeye's fries. I had to pull over and try this chicken sandwich. I want to try it. Let me let these windows up. But yeah, I had to try it. You know, I like to see what people be talking about because some people saying it's better than Chick-fil-A. The bag is bigger than Chick-fil-A. I know this is. I know it's gonna be more filling than Chick-fil-A already. But oh my God, just looking in there. Just look in the bag. Just, you see that? In both cameras. Okay, let's look up in this bag. I don't got my mic with me, so my sound quality might not be as good, but we are going to try this chicken sandwich. Let's have a look at it. Everybody, look. Oh, look at that joint. What is that sauce? It's alright. I like the sauce. Let's see what's on the inside of it. This is the spicy one, y'all. See the inside? Pickles and the sauce. But that meat is fat. And I eat a lot of Chick-fil-A. I eat their chicken sandwiches. Like, I used to buy one every day after work. So, I know my Chick-fil-A. But this chicken sandwich, we're going to try it and see what's to it. Okay. First bite of the chicken sandwich. Okay. Where I want to bite it. It's so big. I can't decide. Okay. Hot. Cool down. Crunchy. It's fresh. It's good. I don't know if it deserves all the hype that it's getting, but it's good. That first bite was good. Let's keep going. Nothing said, did they give me napkins? They did. It's good. I don't too much like that pickle though. It's like it's messing up the flavor. And it's the fattest pickle in the world. Come on, let's go for another bite. It's hot. It is good though, y'all. I definitely will order this again. I definitely will buy another one of these chicken sandwiches. It's delicious. It ain't, I don't know. I like Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A. When I first had Chick-fil-A, it was like fireworks went off in my head when I took the first bite of a Chick-fil-A sandwich. This was good, but I wouldn't drive across town for it. But for that Chick-fil-A, I would. Yeah. Long story short, to me, Chick-fil-A is still shitting on Popeyes. And I ain't never taste Chick-fil-A's waffle fries, so I don't know about the fries, but Popeyes, these seasoned fries, I will come to Popeye just for their seasoned fries. But y'all, the wait on this chicken sandwich, they told me, I went to another Popeyes on my way home. They told me it was a 2-hour wait on their chicken sandwiches. I pulled out extra fast. They had me messed up. But it was another one. So I stopped at this one. It was still a wait. 20 minutes. They lucky I ain't got to be nowhere till 5 o'clock. But, yeah, this sandwich is good. It's a lot. It's very filling. And crunchy. If you're looking for more of a crunch, oh my God, my throat. Never cough while you eating this spicy sandwich because that hurt. And this Sprite is not hitting the spot. Maybe I should have got the regular. I feel it right there. I feel it right there. Excuse me. Okay. Can I talk again? Yeah. Getting their dad off this joint. But what I was saying was, yeah, if you're looking for a crunch, then this Popeye's chicken sandwich is a do it for you over the chicken fillet because it's crunchy. The chicken sandwich at Chick-fil-A is just more, it has more of a decadent taste to it. This is more backyard party. Somebody fried some chicken, put it between 2 buns, but it's still fine. $100 times better than a McChicken at McDonald's. 100 times better. I don't even buy them joints no more. I used to buy them when I was a shorty, but not no more. But yeah, this is just a little quick video. I got my appointment at 5 o'clock. And I'm gonna be on my way there because I think it takes like 30 minutes to get there. We're gonna see. It's good. You see? It is good. Both the cameras. It's good over there. It's good over here. But yeah. Yeah, my video, this was quick. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all later.